Alright everybody, another drink that was in the comments was a good old fashioned. So, another one was Woodford Reserve, so that's what we're going to use to create our old fashioned today. So first, you're going to take an orange wheel, put that down in your glass. You're going to take some maple syrup, and you're just going to drizzle that over the orange slice. Next, you're going to take a muddler. If you have one, you can use a spoon, would work very well as well. And then you're going to just kind of try to get the juice out of that orange. You don't want it to really danger it and whatnot, but you also want to make it just so it kind of infuses with that maple syrup. So even kind of spreading it around that glass, and then you're just going to take that out and throw it away. That way you have that juice in there, maple syrup and everything. Next, what I like to do is take my bourbon, whiskey, and do 2 ounces and just pour it straight into that. That way it gets all that fruity juice, the syrup, and then that's when I take my ice and put that straight into the glass. Next, I take my bitters and I put that straight on the ice. That way the ice cubes itself kind of just absorbs the bitters itself and give it a nice little stir so it kind of goes down and sets. Next, what I use is a Luxardo Cherry. What a Luxardo Cherry is an alcohol infused cherry. And then I just take the one single one, put that right on the side, and then this juice is very, very good. So what I like to do is take that juice, just a nice little spoonful of that, and pour it right on top of it, and then give it a good, nice stir. Lastly, you gotta do a nice little garnish on top. So you take that orange wheel that you had, stick a little toothpick through it, however you want to design. Give it a nice little twist around the toothpick, and to top it all off, you have yourself an old-fashioned